Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to do the greed game. And again, you read the instructions hopefully by now. It's on a paper back by the web assignments. So we're going to do a practice round. Remember, everything I roll, you get to keep. That's how many points you get. Write them on your sheet, record your scores as you go. You must stand for this. Every time I roll, I'll say, do you want to sit and keep your points, or do you want to stay standing to earn more points? You may stay standing, or you may sit and keep your points for that round. If you stay standing and I roll a 2, you automatically get 0 points for that round. That's why it's called greed, because you always want to stay up for that extra roll. Okay, this is a practice round. This does not count as any of the rounds. I rolled a 5, so you write down a 5. Stay standing if you want to keep your 5, or sit down if you want to keep your 5, stay standing if you want more. Next roll, 2. And if you stayed standing, you have 0 points. If you sat down with 5, you have 5 points. Let's try one more practice round. Okay, this is not part of your rounds. 6. Stay standing if you want more, sit down if you're good with 6. Another 2. I guess we're destined to get 2s early. If you're still standing, you get 0 points. Okay, if you sat down, you would get 6. Alright, I think we got the hang of it. Let's play some rounds. So, round 1 is as long as I go until I get a 2. Ready, here we go. 6. Stay standing or sit, make your decision. Next roll, 4. So now you have 10 if you're still standing. You can sit with 10 or stay up for more. 5. It's a good thing you stayed standing. Make your decision, stand or sit. 1. Stand or sit. 3. Stand or sit. Now look, down here you have a 1, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. If probability works, the 2 should be next. Stand or sit. Are you going to sit and keep all those points, or are you going to stand and get greedy? Ready. Stand or sit. 6. Oh, it's good you stayed standing. Make your decision. Stand or sit. 3. Now remember, if you sat already, none of these that I'm rolling go to you. You have to keep what you have till I finish this round. Next roll, stand or sit. 2. I hope you sat down by now so you can keep your points. If you're still standing and you got a 2, you now have 0 points. That's round 1. Add them up. See how much you got for round 1. Okay, if I calculated this right, the highest you could have is 28. Round 2, here we go. I got to go faster to get 6 rounds in. Ready. 6. Stand or sit. 1. Stand or sit. Another 1. Stand or sit. This is going to go quick. Make your decision. Are you going to sit and keep your points, stay up, and hopefully don't get a 2? Next up. A 2! Oh, I must have jinxed it. Round 2 is done. Count up your points. Remember, if you stayed standing when a 2 came up, you get 0 points. Round 3. A 3 is up first. Next up, stand or sit. 5. Stand or sit. 4. Now look, if you take a look, I should get 1 of each. If theory works, I should get 1 of each. Next, 3. Stand or sit, make your decision. 2. Oh, you should have sat down. You should have sat down before this roll. You would have kept your points. Alright, that's round 3. Count up your points. If you don't have time now, you can always stop the video. That's the best part. Stop, figure out where you're at, and start again. Round 4. Here we go, round 4. Roll. 6. Stand or sit. 3. Stand or sit. Not much time to make your decisions. Are you greedy? Are you going to stand and get for more? Another 3. Stand or sit. A 1. Good thing you stayed standing to get that 1. Next up, stand or sit. 4. Now this works. I should roughly get some of each if this is going to balance out. Remember, the more experiments I do, the more it should balance out. The 2's got to happen at some point. The more 2's I don't get, the more chance I have of getting a 2. Okay, stand or sit. 4. This is getting tough. Next, stand or sit. 3. Next. 1. Oh, the longer we go, the more chance a 2 is going to show up. Stand or sit. Ready. A 2. Oh, it's like when I talk about the 2, it happens. That was round 4. 2 more rounds to go. Round 5 coming up. Round 5. Ready. 5 is up first. Stand or sit. Next. 3. Stand or sit. Next. 5. Ooh, this is tough. Do you sit now and keep all your points? Next. Stand or sit. 4. 2's going to be coming. Stand or sit. Ready. 5. Oh boy, I hope you stayed standing. You're going to have a lot of points this round. Now, do you risk it? Do you stay standing? Stand or sit. Ready. 3. Look at what we haven't had yet. We haven't had a 1, a 2, or a 6. If the world's going to balance out, I should get 1s and 2s and 6s. Next up, ready. 4. Stand or sit. Make your decision. Next up. 5. Oh boy, I hope you're still standing. Stand or sit. Ready. 3. Oh boy. Stand or sit. Ready. Make your decision. 6. This is tough. Stand or sit. Do you sit down now and get all those points? Or do you risk it and lose everything? Stand or sit. Ready. 5. Next. Stand or sit. 2. Oh, you should have sat down. Why did you stay standing? Why? Round 5 is done. Last round. Round 6. Here we go. First roll. 3. Stand or sit. Make your decision. 5. Stand or sit. Make your decision. 4. Stand or sit. Make your decision. 2. And look how it balanced out this was down at the bottom. That's it. That's a short round. Alright, that's it. At the bottom of your paper, add them all up. I want to know what your grand total is. Some of you may have nothing but zeros. Some of you may have all the points. We'll see. Good luck.